So guys, for the first method, you're going to click on the Windows key on your keyboard, which will then bring up this. Now we're going to type in mouse space settings. Click on enter on your keyboard. And now left click should be automatically selected. If it's not, then click on tab on your keyboard until you select it. Just like this. Now you want to click on enter. And now with the arrow key, you want to make sure that you're on the left. Click on enter. Now for the second method, you just want to simply unplug your mouse and then plug it back in. See if that works for you. You just want to unplug it and then plug it into a different port that was originally in. Now for the third method, you want to click on the Windows key on your keyboard, and then you want to type in CMD. And now using the arrow keys, the right arrow key, we're going to go like this, and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Enter. Use the left arrow key, and then click on Enter again for yes. Now we're going to type in sfc space / scan now, and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now as the scan is running, we're going to click on the Windows key on our keyboard again, and then type in CMD again. Then we're going to run as Administrator again. And then click on yes. And now we're going to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and click on enter. And now you want to run this as well. Now once both these scans have been completed, this one and also this one as well, now you just want to restart your computer. So click on the Windows button on your keyboard, and then you want to use tab until it goes to your name, and then use the right arrow key, click on enter, and then go down, and then click on enter on restart, and then your problem should be fixed.